So here we are, it's November 5th, day before Election Day. And I'm putting the pinstriping on. Got the boot stripe. This is the first coat right here. We got another second coat to go. I can pull that tape off. I still have the top coat of the bottom paint to go on. That's just the primer. The boot stripe, and then we got the tape you see. You see the white lines between the tape. That's actually going to be the blue lines. So all that tape is going to come off after I paint, and then the lines will show. I just wanted to give you a little shot here of the process I'm doing to lay out these lines. Let's climb up. So I have some scratches here. I don't know where in the hell they came from. I don't know how in the hell those scratches got there. Brand new paint. Can't even take this boat cruising now because the paint's too nice. Okay, so what I'm doing is I laid out my first stripe, which is that centerpiece. That's the main top blue line, and then I'm covering that. I'm doing that over top, and then this is the second. No, this is the white line between. So we got a dark blue line, a white line, and then a dark blue line. And these right here, these little tabs are so I don't have to like waste the whole roll of tape laying this out. Then I'm just going to take this masking and I do that. I put that right there, and then nope, I think you get the idea. I do that and that. And that's the mask. Then these will come off. This comes off. Then this comes off. And then this comes out. And the white lines again are where the dark blue lines are going to be. So there's that. So then I'll just take my roller and I roll this, and then I'll do a brush to get the bubbles out. And then once these two lines dry, then I can pull out this, and this, and that gives us our blue lines on the top. So that's it for now. Later.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy.
Okay, it's all taped off. Ready to paint.
I know what I should say. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. I build a fire inside the walls of your heart.
Ta-da!
I can't see shit.
You don't need to see. All you need to see if that's blinking.
But there's nothing on the screen.
You don't need to see what's on the screen. It's because it's dark. Take the cap off.
Oh.